Hello everyone. So this was the last period of the day and extra classes are going on for students as we know. So instead of going for another lecture, I thought why not to end the day with a little fun. Here I tried to send these children home smiling and excited for the next day. So I planned a game for students with a little bit of science hidden in that. I did so because they are coming in summer, so they don't feel like other students are enjoying their vacations and they have to come to school, so they can play this game and feel energetic again. So, firstly, we discussed about the game, like how we are going to play it. Here, I needed a soft ball, but I was not having it, so we went for yeah, a beautiful geometry box of a student. So what these students were supposed to do is, when I play the music, they were supposed to pass this geometry box, or you can go for any other object. They were supposed to pass this object from one student to another. Here I told them like whom they are supposed to pass the geometry box, so that it doesn't become messed up while we are playing the game. So next, the teacher stops the music randomly, and whosoever holds the ball or the object, the child is supposed to come forward and picks up a slip. I have prepared these slips, by writing different cell organelles names, for example, mitochondria and nucleus. The child shows the slip to all the students and the teacher. Next, the teacher comes up with a little bit of funny question. Students find it so interesting and they feel so excited to answer. Are you ready? So here comes the first round. So here she comes forward and she'll pick up a slip. Let's see which cell organelle she gets. It's mitochondria. So here I prepared different questions about different cell organelles. They were all funny sort of questions. So for mitochondria, I had the question, if mitochondria was a mobile phone application, how it would have looked like. I wanted to know about the logo of the mitochondria if it would be a mobile phone application. So the child writes M in a square. Here, one more student, she was also very excited. She could not stop herself. So she came up with the double layered structure of the mitochondria and wrote M in between them. So here you can see they are enjoying the game as well as revising their concepts. They were excited for the second round now. Let's go. She comes forward. Now she will also pick up a slip. Now we are waiting. It is Rasdhania, that is vacuole in English. So I had 2-3 different questions about vacuole. What I asked her was, if vacuole could talk, what would it complain about? Students started laughing. But you will feel them more talented than us after listening their answer. Listen.
मेरा एक घर क्यों है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया और प्लास्टिड का तो दो दो मंजिला घर हो वो कह रही है.
So here she answered, वैक्यूल बोलता, मेरे पास एक मंजिला घर क्यों है जबकि प्लास्टिड और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इनके पास दो दो मंजिला घर हैं. I was so happy to listen it because they related the concept with the another strategy of mine that I applied last week. It was about the story about the cell. When I asked them to prepare a story about the cell, and they came up with the concept like they compared 3 organelles, that is mitochondria, plastid and the nucleus. They compared these organelles with other organelles like हम तीनों के पास दो दो मंजिला घर है और सबके पास एक मंजिला घर है. They have double layered structure, double layered membrane. Other organelles, for example, ER, Golgi apparatus, vacuole, they have single membrane structure. So here we can observe this thing like when we go for different strategies, funny methods or joyful learning, they remember the things for long. I was really very happy listening her answer. Here we went for another round. So let's wait. Chloroplast it is this time. So for this also I had a question, a very funny question. If the chloroplast takes a selfie, how it would look like? Here she answered, "Ma'am, पीछे हरियाली नज़र आएगी." So instead of going for the word hara or green, she went for haryali. So they were also coming up with very interesting funny answers to my funny questions. That's how we enjoyed a lot together. So here she was also very excited, like it was her turn to pick the slip and answer the question. Other students were also so excited to listen the next funny question and her answer. So it was ribosome this time, you may see. And the question was, if ribosome is having his own restaurant, what would be the name of the famous dish of his restaurant? So here she came up with such a funny answer. You will also start laughing. It was
प्रोटीन के पकौड़े.
so that's how we went for multiple rounds of this game. Here in the last round I asked students the question about endoplasmic reticulum. If it would be a straight, how would it look like? So they came up with different patterns. So that's how we ended the day at the joyful note. Here you can see I have a few more questions that you may also, come up with in your class. Like if the nucleus had a job in a company, what would it be doing? If vacuole were a room in a house, which one would it be and why? If ribosomes were a shop, what would they be selling? If Golgi Apparatus was a delivery app, which one would it be and why? If cell membrane was a security guard, what roles would it follow? You may also prepare your own questions, and I trust your students will also enjoy it a lot. So, thank you.